Hi, I'm Michelle from Subco. Today we're going to talk about the new Subco Slide to Ring Flat Mop. The hands-free and hygienic way to flat mop that allows you to rinse and ring for a cleaner mop and cleaner floors. Let's have a look at how easy it is to use. To start, ensure the handle is fully extended. Simply wet the mop in a bucket, lift, and the automatic flip base will rotate to align with the wringer. As you slide the handle down over the mop head, the built-in wringer with its unique rubber nibs removes dirt, grime and excess water. Slide the wringer all the way to the end until you hear a click. Then pull towards the top again. Tap on the floor and you're ready to mop. The soft pad traps dirt and grime, lifting it away. No more rinsing and wringing by hand and contact with dirty water or cleaning chemicals. Just another way that Subco helps you keep it clean.